Zinxid here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing BoxyCharm November box, and I think I got this like a couple days ago. I really like everything I got received in the box. So I guess I'll show you and then I'll tell you the prices, right? So this box, you only pay $21 and it's like a monthly thing, and I mean this month's box was really good. So if you want to get this box or subscribe to BoxyCharm, I'll leave a link down below where you can like subscribe to them. So first that I see in the box is the Lash A Lot Kick. Did I say that wrong? Lash I don't know how to say it, my bad. So these are in, I actually don't even know, Instagram false lashes, and these retail for $14.99. and I'm going to like add it up. I added up to see like the retail of this box. So this was $14.99. Next that I see in the box is the brushes, the Luxy brushes, and these brushes retail for $21. Next in the box that I see is this pencil, and it's the, I'm gonna say this wrong, Zinxid Blue glittering eyeliner. So this retails for $5. Oops. And then the next thing that I'm really excited to like have as part of my makeup collection is the Cover FX glitter drops, and these retail for this retails for $44. So I'm really excited. This is in Nova, and I'm really excited for this. So that was $44. And the last thing in this box is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. Let me get it out of the wrap. You can't even see it. And this retails for, I don't even know. It retails for $24.99. So this box in total was $109.98. So basically you get your money's worth. I mean, you pay $21 and you get like a box that's over $100. So this box I think is pretty good. This is pretty lit if you ask me. Let's start, right? Let's start. I think I'm going to start with the eyeshadow palette, and then I'll continue from there because I think everything in this box, okay, yeah. So I'm gonna start with the palette. I'm going with this color called Patch Show. I don't even know how to say. I'm not even gonna try it. I'm gonna go in with this color. I'm just gonna keep saying this color because I don't know what I'm really doing. Go with this dark color right here and put that all in my outer eye. I don't even know how to explain it. Just watch. I'm not really good at explaining. Just I'll pack that on like the back of my lid and then kind of work it to the front. And I'm just gonna try to blend this out to the top, like a fade, I guess you could say. And I'm gonna go in with Popping. And then with that one brush that we used in the beginning, I'm gonna go back to Cinnamon. Okay. With one of these brushes, one that's not used, I'm gonna go with this one. Hopefully it works. So this is the 131 mini angled, and I'm gonna grab that like soft white and try to soften up the top. Okay, so I'm gonna go with rose and then with prime rose, and I'm going to make that into like a glitter transition. I don't even see what I'm doing because I'm trying to see on my mirror. I'm just gonna put that on the outside, kind of blend it in with rose. Something like that. Okay, so something like this is what I was envisioning. I thought the pink was going to be more like sparkly, but I guess not. Anyways, this palette's pretty good, so I'll swatch it and show it to you guys. Take off my watch. They're pretty colors. I like them all. I see myself using this palette, especially because I don't really have a lot of pinks. So here are all the colors swatched on my arm. The glitters to like the mattes, they're nice colors. I see myself using them. I recommend this box. Now I'm pop some concealer. Just set that with my powder. I'm just gonna put some eyeliner. So I can put these fake lashes on. These lashes are actually really pretty. They're not bad. So these are the Instagram lashes. It's pretty nice. For eyeliner, I'm gonna be using a Pretty Vulgar ink, something like that it's called. I don't even know the name of this thing. So mascara, I'm gonna go with this mascara. Let's put on these fake lashes. I don't know why I kept recording if I was gonna take this long. Like, dang. Put some mascara. This is from It Cosmetics, which I got from Boxy. It's actually a really good mascara. I'm gonna pop on these lashes. Oh, actually, I almost forgot, guys. Why y'all remind me? Okay, so the last thing I need to review is the Cover FX glitter drops, which, by the way, and this is so exciting. I've never had glitter drops. Ew, oh. Oh. I feel like a little kid playing with this. So my final thoughts on this month's BoxyCharm. I actually really like this month's BoxyCharm. It wasn't bad. 109 buckaroonies for all this stuff. Sign me up, you know. This is actually a really good box, and I approve this box. This box is worth it. It's totally worth the $21, which you can still sign up using my link, or I'll link it down below. And if you do use my link, you'll get like something next month, I believe. Like, me and you will both receive something basically. But if you have any other influencers like code thing, you can totally use theirs. You don't have to use mine. I didn't get to try the eyeliner because I already have a black eyeliner and I have no use for this, so there's no point of me like trying to keep this or trying to show you guys, like opening it up when someone else can totally use it, which someone else will be using it. Put that in the box. And yeah guys, I think that's gonna be it. Hope this wasn't a long video of me just putting stuff on my face, but I'll leave all the links that I need to link down below. The giveaway is still going until November 22, so if you want to like try to win the box full of stuff, go ahead and hit the link down below. And I will see you guys in my next video with the same makeup. I know, I'm sorry, I'm very lazy and I make videos on a certain day. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you would like me reviewing like stuff that I think is pretty cool. Yeah guys, see you guys in the next video. Probably uneven, huh?